is the magic book right here. Look at the size of this bad boy. This is crazy. Almost 600 pages worth of content of people basically breaking down step by step every single thing that they would do to come back on top. So I want to make sure you guys understand how crazy cool this is. It's so much easier for me, instead of explaining it, I want to have Russell actually explain it. So check this out. We now have, where's the video here? Boom. We're gonna click this video and it's gonna play for you.
What would you do?
And
Imagine this, you suddenly lose everything, your money, your name, your reputation. You have bills piled high and people harassing you for money over the phone. And all you have left is a Clickfunnels account and internet access for 30 days. What would you do from day number 1 to day number 30 to save yourself? It's an interesting question, isn't it? Now, I'm sure if I asked that to 100 different people, I'd get 100 different answers of what might work. But what about people who had already done it? People who started from nothing, actually created a ClickFunnels account, and eventually made it. What would they do? They each had already lived it. What would they do if they had to start over again right now? I decided to run an experiment. I sent out an email to over 100 people, but not just any people who had actually already won a 2 Comma Club award, meaning they made at least $1 million inside of a single sales funnel. I want to know exactly what they would do to get back on top. Day number 1, what would you do? Day number 2, day number 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way to day number 30. If you had to start over again today with just your marketing and your funnel building skills, what would you do to get back into the 2 Comma Club again? From the 100 emails I sent, only 30 people responded back. But each of them sent me a detailed step-by-step process of what they would do, starting with no product, no list, no traffic, and no funnel. And then detailing exactly what they would do and why they would do it in a simple step-by-step process. Each of their 30-day plans was so different, yet each of them led you on a path of absolute certainty to success. I honestly don't know how anyone armed with any of these 30-day plans could possibly not succeed. Everyone who's ever tried to make money online needs to see these experiments. Anyone who's ever had a ClickFunnels account now has execution plans to get them back on top. Just pick any of them and follow the path from where you are today all the way to the stage where you'll receive your 2 Comma Club award at Funnel Hacking Live. Finding success with ClickFunnels is no longer a matter of luck. It's an absolute certainty.
All right, what do you think? Is this crazy? Now listen, this is one of the things I am so excited about, because we actually have a whole bunch of other things planned on the back end I can't quite tell you about yet, but it's gonna lead, this here is gonna lead into other opportunities for you. So what I wanna make sure you guys understand is the valuable tool here. I'm usually this crazy bouncing monkey like I am right now, so I'm gonna kind of slow things down. I seriously wanna make sure you guys understand how important this is. I want to show you some of the people who are actually going to be on there, because people get so frustrated, or I hear people getting frustrated saying, it doesn't work, I can't do it. This here is going to be probably one of the biggest opportunities for people to push aside all the disbelief, all the emotion and the frustration that comes when a person says, I've tried that, but it just doesn't work. I want to show you some of the people who actually are going to be there on this call. So as you scroll down, this here's a whole sales letter here. So these are some of our top 2 Comma Club winners. Most importantly, they're from all sorts of different industries. You got Trey Llewellyn and Liz Benny, Garrett White, Allison Prince, Dana Derricks, Julie Stoyan, Stephen Larson, Stacy Martino, Ed Osborne, Tyler Shaw, Rachel Peterson, Jeremy McGilvey, Peng Jun, Myron Golden, Jamie Cross, Dan Henry, Joe McCall, Spencer Meekum, Anissa Holmes, Dean Holland, John Lee Dumas, Rob Cosberg, Natalie Hodson, Pat Rigsby, Caitlin Pyle, Akbar Sheik, Rhonda Swan, David Asarnow, Ryle Plickett, and James Friel. The best part is, guys, you have to understand these are literally from so many different industries. You've got people who are chiropractors, who are authors, who are in the fitness industry, people who are running dental practices, doing podcasts, in real estate, in honestly every single niche out there. I want to make sure you guys understand the value here. These are people who literally spent hours with our special guest who's going to be hosting all this. 30-day challenge is going to take place on the 17th. On the 17th, we're going to have 10 people. And on the 18th, there's going to be 10 people. And on the 19th, there's going to be 10 people. Literally 10 hours worth of content of people going through and telling you exactly what they would do if they lost everything and all they had was a ClickFunnels account. These are the real deal. This isn't some fluff. This isn't something that, oh, I think I could do this. This is what they would actually do. She then went through and broke down their actual 2 Comma Club funnels. In addition to that is the magic book right here. Look at the size of this bad boy. This is crazy. Almost 600 pages worth of content of people basically breaking down step by step every single thing that they would do to come back on top. Check out one of them walked in our office right here. He's actually one of the guys who's speaking.
What are we talking about?
We're talking about 30 days.
Oh my God, you guys. I am so excited for this thing. Like the whole concept of like, if you had to start over, what would you do? And then like build something. That was the coolest thought exercise like I've ever done. I sat there and I was on vacation in Italy while I was doing it. And I was like, okay, what would I actually do? I had the most fun. Like I wrote for like 8 hours straight. And honestly, when I was done, I was like, this is amazing. Like not to like blow it up or anything. And then like, it's not just me, it's like 30 other people who are all telling you their secrets about what they would do if they just had to start over. And it's pure gold. Like I've talked to some of the other people who wrote chapters, and you guys are gonna be blown away by the entire thing.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Dr. James P. Friel in the house here. His chapter's in here as well.
Really, truly help people who are like at any stage of their business, like because it's starting from like square one where anybody can do it. And the whole goal of it was to build something that could get somebody like financially free and on the path to creating a better life like immediately. So like this is absolutely like, it's such a great project.
Dave and I were talking about it today. Like this might be the best offer to cold traffic
100%.
Oh, absolutely.
ever. Like,
because everyone's always like, oh, how do I get started? Or like, I don't have enough money, or I don't have enough time, or like all these different things. It doesn't get much worse than the premise that this whole thing started with. Like, you've completely lost everything. You've lost your money. You've lost your network. You've lost all this stuff. Like, do something amazing and get back on your feet in 30 days. So I promise you guys, like, this is some of the best content that's going to come out there to help people get off the ground. And I would even say for people who have like something that's really well established already, there's so much gold in this book on how you can amplify and like take everything that you're already doing to the next level. Like this is absolutely a must get.
The books literally are at the printers right now. The key here though is understand it is literally day by day. The part I love most about the way we set this up is it's not what would you do esoterically in 30 days. It's literally day 1, what are you gonna do? Day 2, what will you do?
Yeah.
Day 3, day 4, day 5. Literally every single day, if you had 30 days, tell me what you would do on day 14. What would you do on day 17? And so the system is literally through it. And so every single chapter, that's why it's literally 600 pages of content. And we want to make sure we get this in the hands of anybody and everybody you know, because this is what everybody's asking for as far as, I don't know how to get started. How do I get started? If I don't have money, I don't have this huge network, I don't have all the stuff that all these successful people already have. So we stripped it all away from our uber successful people and told them to start over. And this is exactly what they did. Understand, everybody always has their own system. You've got 30 different people's ideas of what they would do. So take for example, in our office, we've gone through like jars and jars of M&Ms. And I just found out today that everybody has their own system. Some people have a system where they just reach their hand in, throw them all in their mouth. That would be like this side of the room. That's how they eat their M&Ms. Just, it doesn't matter. Eat whatever ones you want. For some reason, over here on this side,
That's not how it works. Organized by color, consumed by least to greatest.
everybody has their own system.
How you do it.
So that is a system. That's his 30-day system for consuming a jar's worth of M&Ms. You just heard James P. Friel talk about his 30-day system, and you get all 30 of them inside the book.